In this time, I'm about to ask you an important question. Where is your area of bondage? Are you suffering? Sick? Pain? Loss? Whatever you try and fails. Bad dreams. Are you under a spell of witchcraft? And you feel as if there is no hope? It's not over until God says so. There is grace sufficient for all. You are invited to the mountain of turnaround. So the Spirit's profanity, grace at work. Come and feel the power of God under the anointing of Prophet Agape Eternity, their official diplomat. Changes in your family, changes in your marriage, changes in your finances, changes in your health. It's restoration time. This Sunday, 10 a.m., Soul and Spirit, come cold. Remember, showing up is an act of faith, and God will take it from there.